everybody! Welcome to IntroStartupKary. My name is Karina Shannon, and today I will talk about social network and social media, these two concepts that are very important to know for future videos. Comenzamos! Social network is a website that brings people together to talk, share ideas and interests. For example, maybe there are some people that like climbing, other people like cycling, others like eating different type of food, maybe some special food like vegan food, and maybe you can find some people that know different recipes that maybe they can share with you, and maybe a secret ingredient that makes your recipes more delicious. Like, you don't know, like maybe you can find friends in the topics that you want and make new friends to be together, and all this interaction inside of social networks is the social media. All this sharing, all this talking with other people is the social media. Traditional social media is created by TV, radio and print channels, and social media is created by individuals like us and social media agencies that we try to help people to share our knowledge and help them in some way. The unique aspect of social media is the scale at which individuals can reach an extraordinarily large audience, while at the same time allowing millions of people participate in this content creation. Some of the social networks used today are YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Snapchat, TikTok, SmartMe, and recently WhatsApp, Messenger, Telegram, and Zoom are being used for group video calls. Businesses and communities find this a great way to stay in touch in real time. Now the big question, why do people use social networks? Well, social networks help the people keep connected with your friends and family. Well, for example, in my case, that I am living in different countries like my parents, I can talk with them and see them every week. This is amazing, because before, to call even your family, if you are living in different country, or even if you are living in other continent, was super expensive. And now, thanks to these social networks, I can see my parents and I can see my family, talk with them, spend all the time that I want in the call for free. And even now with this pandemic, if you are living in the same country, you can see your friends and you can see your family. But thanks to this social media, then you can see your friends, you can still talk with them, you can even play with them by your computer, you can play some games, you can do whatever you want, and you can keep connected with them. And this is really great during these hard times. As a marketer or business owner, how could you utilize this network in a way that produces great results for your business? Well, social media channels have become an inseparable part of business development strategies. You will see the impact that social media brings to your company. Maybe more sales, more connection with your customers, and when it becomes the building of meaningful connections with your customers, this will grow, and maybe you can have more sales and your company will have a very good success. I hope this was helpful to you guys. I'll be posting occasional videos to continue growing the knowledge in social media marketing. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, follow me in this channel if you would like to see more videos like this. See you in my next video. Bye bye!